3, 2, 1, let's go. A little bit of wheel spin, and it rockets off. And let's give this Lexus some gas. Hello there, you are watching DM Car Reviews, and today we have a very special car on our channel. This is a 2007 Lexus LX470. I want to say a huge thank you to Loudoun Motor Cars of Chantilly, Virginia for providing me this car. I will leave all the information down below and the link to get this car if you're interested. But let's get this Lexus fired up and let's go take a look outside. Now, as far as that light back there, the part is in the trunk, so it just needs to be mounted on and it'll be good to go. But besides that, look at how clean this unit is. It's got 163,000 miles. So these cars are very popular in the Middle East and Russia. They're very reliable, spacious, safe, and they last for years. Let's go take a look inside the back here. Everything is in traditional Lexus fashion. Excellent condition of the seats. As you can see, no rips, nothing. Very clean. Well, let's hop in the back. I'm 6'2" tall. And there's ample space for my legs and lots of headroom. Very comfy back seat. We can also adjust the incline of the back. Here we have our armrest. And here we have the settings to that, I assume, some kind of, infotainment system or entertainment system, which I don't know if it's, if this car is equipped with it. Got our little ashtray, automatic windows, nice soft headliner. Yeah, there are the cup holders. All right, well, let's go take a look at the trunk now. This is a two-way tailgate. We got the rear seats here, the third row. So if we fold that or put them to the side, it's going to be a lot of space. A tow hitch, and let's open the engine bay and check that out. So here we have the 2UZ FE V8. We got all our factory stickers right here. All right, well, let's go take a look inside now. Again, very good condition of the interior. We have the Mark Levinson audio system, memory seats, automatic telescoping steering wheel, and the adjustable ride height. So we have comfort, sports, and different damper settings. Front heated seats, power mode. So this is the ECT power. I don't know what this is, so great question. Something with differential lock. A touchscreen for its years, really cool technology. Glove box. Some more storage space, multi-disc play. Some slidable cup holders. Some more storage, menu. We also got the climate menu right here. You can set up the climate. It's got automatic climate, but we will just keep it at map. Let's do a quick wiper test. We also have a sunroof. All right, horn test, and let's get started on this drive. It has that quick shove when you press the pedal, that classical V8 shove. So one of the first things that comes to mind is how high the seating position here is. You can put your elbow right here, and then the right elbow right here. So left elbow goes on the door, and the right elbow goes on the seat. And we have a perfect seating position. It's nice and tall. There's excellent visibility all around the car. And we sail off on our drive. You can hear the engine just a little bit, but overall it's a very quiet cabin and a comfy planted ride. I do not feel any bumps or imperfections. It just kind of hovers over them. But let's put it into the power mode and see what that does. And let's give this Lexus some gas. You can definitely tell that this is a heavier, bigger car with a lot of weight. Although it gets up to speed fairly well, there is a little bit of wind noise coming through, but not much. Obviously that is to be expected of a car this size and body style. But when you need the power, press the pedal and go. Now cruising here at about 70, it feels ultra comfortable. Let's get out of the power mode and just glide. I feel like I'm sitting very high up. Visibility again is good. Brakes are not bad, but they do bite in a little bit later, so be mindful of that. This is, like I said, a heavy car. One more thing that I really like about this Lexus is the wooden steering wheel. It feels ultra plush. It just gives that extra touch of luxury to the car. Now as far as torque, there's a good amount of low end torque, so you don't have to press the pedal much to get going. Very easy to accelerate. This is without power mode, which we will actually put on for our 0 to 60 test. And as far as body lean, of course there's going to be more body lean. This is a high sitting car. But let's get to our usual 0 to 60 spot and we will perform our first test there. So let's come here. We're going to come to a full stop. All right, 3, 2, 1, let's go. A little bit of wheel spin and it rockets off. And we got to 60 in 8.48 seconds, which is not bad at all. Not a bad time for this huge machine. Coming to the turns, you got to be a little bit more careful. It does have some lean. But this car has an aggressive start. Like once you punch it, it even spins for a second and then it goes. So very impressive. Very impressive for a car like this. And our trap speed was 68.3 miles. Right now I'm doing half throttle on purpose just to see how the normal pickup here is. This is about half throttle. And we did it in 10.7, but that was just with 50% throttle, not much. I wouldn't want to take any corners in this Lexus at higher speeds though. The speedometer is almost on spot. No, it is literally on spot. 65 is 65. So full accuracy here. Very nice. It just has such a good kick off the line. And again, 8.53. So very consistent, about 8.5 seconds, give or take. Let's check the U-turn radius. Very good. The sound. This needs a straight pipe. I want to hear it a little bit from the outside too. So the cool part about this Lexus is whenever you're just getting off a light, you would have to really press your accelerator pedal to get past this car, at least in the lower speeds, because the way it rockets out of off the line is so impressive. It just goes. There's no lag, there's no weight, nothing. transmission here works butter smooth, like a brand new car. I can't imagine for 2007 or even like 2001 when this body style first came out. For my viewers, I'm sure somebody knows exactly when the first year of this specific body style came out. I think it was either 1999 or 2000. I gotta double check. But can you imagine how impressive this powertrain was back in the day? Back when, you know, like the V6 models of sedans were doing these 0 to 60 times, and for its age, the handling is actually very impressive, I gotta say. But thank you so much for watching, everyone. This wraps up our test drive. Make sure to smash that like and subscribe button. Let me know what you thought about the test drive in the comments below. Until next time.